Hey guys, installing a hitch on your Town and Country can take you to some really cool places, like camping, bike riding, or you can even pull a U-Haul trailer to about anywhere in North America. So let's show you how easy this is to do. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. We're going to start out by lowering the exhaust. And we have 2 points. There's a hanger in the rear of the axle right here, and another one right here in front of the axle. Now that we've got the exhaust lowered, I'm going to show you the attachment points. We have 3 attachment points on the driver's side over here, and then we have 2 on the passenger side. So now we're going to remove the bolts that I just pointed out to you, and I'm going to be using 2 size sockets on those. One is an 18 millimeter, and the very rear one on this side and the other side is a 15 millimeter. So now I'm getting ready to install the hitch. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack right here to help me out. If you don't have access to one of these, you're going to need an extra pair of hands because the hitch could get pretty heavy. Okay, so the hardware we took out of the frame on this side also holds the bumper bracket in place on the inside of the frame. And when we take those all out, sometimes it moves around a little bit inside. So we're going to use a screwdriver up here or a pry bar or anything just to line the holes back up so I can get the bolts back in. Okay, so on the passenger side, when we go to install the bolts up in here, right up in here, when we took the bolts out, we left a third one in back here towards the front of the vehicle, which actually holds that bumper bracket in place so we don't have to maneuver it. Okay, so to finish up, I'm going to torque all the bolts down to the manufacturer's specs. So I'm going to finish this off by reinstalling the brackets to the exhaust. Okay, now that we've got your hitch installed and the car is on level ground, let's get you some important measurements. First, we have a 2-inch receiver right here. The distance from the ground to the inside top of the receiver is going to be 13.5 inches. The distance from this pin to the outside part of the bumper right here is 4.5 inches. These measurements are very important when you're determining your rise or your drop when you're using your hitch accessories. Again, my name's Sabrina and I'm from Indiana, and thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.